Hello, hi everybody, myself Halavat Ramesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today especially we will talk about the NEET Chemistry, especially NEET Chemistry and every state they conducting have the app test like engineering and pharmacy common test. What are the chemistry syllabus? We will discuss today very briefly that chemistry syllabus like intermediate first year and second year and some few of the important bits. What are the previous exams they asked? These bits we will discuss in today. So the NEET chemistry is very important for medical entrance exams. So we will see in slide by slide what are the important bits and the syllabus of the intermediate first year and second year. Now we come into that here. You can see here intermediate first year in what are the chemistry syllabus. Like intermediate there are total 12 topics in intermediate chemistry. The first one is the atomic structure and second one topic is the classification of elements and periodicity properties, and third one chemical bonding and molecular structure, and fourth one states of matter like gas states and liquid state, and fifth one is stoichiometry, and sixth one thermodynamics, seventh one chemical equilibrium and acids and base, eighth one hydrogen and its compound, ninth one S block elements like means S block in the sense means alkali, alkaline and earth metals we need to discuss, and 10th one is the B block element means boron and carbon family, and the 11th one is the environmental chemistry, 12th one is the organic chemistry like hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, aromatic hydrocarbon. These are the 12 topics from the intermediate first year chemistry for NEET exam syllabus. Now coming to that intermediate second year chemistry syllabus. In intermediate second year total is the 13 topics for NEET exam. First one is the solid state, second one is solution, third one is the electrochemistry, fourth one chemical kinetics, fifth one surface chemistry, sixth one metallurgy, seventh one P block elements, and eighth one D and F block elements, ninth one polymer chemistry, and 10th one is the biopolymers, and 11th one chemistry in everyday life, 12th one halo alkanes, halo arines, and 13th one organic compounds containing oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen compounds. So these are the intermediate first year and second year main topics or NEET syllabus for entrance exam of medicals. Now coming to that important bits like MSET and NEET important previous they ask in very simple bits. So we will discuss in today is very few important bits, and next class we will see in the very previous exams asked bits. Okay, so you can see the first one bit is which is a physical properties of nitrogen. Here is option is given 4 and the C1 is the right answer. Why? Because the nitrogen atomic number is the 7. And second one question is nitrates or dash means nitrous compound, and is the compounds of nitrogen with metals, ammonium compounds and nitrates. So here nitrites means the compounds of nitrogen with metals is called nitrites. So the right answer is the B. So here right answer is B for second one bit. Now coming to the third one bit, ammonium chloride is used in cough syrup, soldering, lithium batteries and all the above. So ammonium chloride is used for all the purpose of above given in 3. So the right answer is D. And fourth one you can see here the difference between the ions and atoms is of. You can see what are the difference between the ions and atoms. So this is very simple bit. So relative size, configuration, presence of charge, these all are the above is the difference between the ions and atoms. So the right answer is the D is the right answer. Now coming to the fifth bit, the molecule having V shape is dash. So here is given 4 options. Here first one is the ammonia, second one is water, third one is methane, fourth one is the carbon dioxide. So V shape is contain the water. So water molecule shape is V shape. So the fifth one right answer is B. Now coming to the sixth one bit, water molecule has. So you can see here given the 4 options. So you can choose the right option. The A1 is the 2 covalent bond is the right answer. So water molecules is having 2 covalent bonds. Okay. And coming to the seventh one bit, the metals and non-metals are likely combined to form dash bond. So suppose one atom, one metals and another one non-metals likely to combine to form a ionic bond. So here seventh one right answer is the ionic bond is the right answer. Now coming to the atomicity of sulfur. So the sulfur atomicity is the 8 is the right answer. Okay. Now coming to that here ninth one bit. So ninth one bit you can see here clearly. Ammonia react with excess chlorine to form what? So here is given the 4 options. So D1 is the right answer. Ammonium chloride and nitrogen. So ammonia react with excess chlorine to form a ammonium chloride and nitrogen. Next one, 10th one is the chromatography can be used to separate a dash mixture. Solid, complex mixture, liquid gas and solid and liquid. So 10th one right answer is the complex mixture is the right answer. So chromatography is specially used for the separation of complex mixture. Okay. And next one is the 11th one bit. The common element in all amalgam is. So common element here is given 4 options. The mercury is the right answer. So mercury is the common amalgam for all. Now you can see the 12th one bit. The symbol of mercury and lead is respectively. So the mercury is the Hg and lead symbol is the Pb. So right answer is A. Now coming to the 13th bit, the number of water molecules in washing soda. So in washing soda, water molecules is having 10 H2. So here right answer is the C. The color of sky is blue due to the molecules of nitrogen gas and oxygen gas. So you can see that the sky looks like a blue because of nitrogen gas and oxygen gas. And 15th one bit, the acid present in vinegar is dash. So in vinegar, the acid is present in methanoic acid. So here methanoic acid is the right answer for 15th one bit. And you can see here next to 16th one bit, among these substance which will take more time to become hot. So here is given 4 options: corrosion, first one, second one is ice, third one is the water and D1 is the seawater. So water will take the more time to become a hot. So here right answer 16th one is the C is the right answer. 7th one, like the color of universal indicator when added to pure water is green color. Okay. So the right answer is C. The presence of involved in formation of water droplet outside of the cold bottle. We can see sometimes you will keep your water bottle in deep freeze and will take out, you can see the outside of surface of water drops because of the principle is condensation. So the condensation is the right answer here, 18th one. Next we can see 19th one bit, which of the device convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. So this important bit, like generator, you can see once the power will go on, people will see on the generator. So what is the role of generator? So electric generator means the mechanical energy convert into electrical energy. So 19th one right answer is A. Now coming to the 20, the ore of most abundant metal in the earth's crust is bauxite. So bauxite is the right answer for 20. Then you can see the magnesium bromide in the presence of sunlight to form magnesium and bromine. So this reaction is example of photochemical reaction because the sunlight presence it will happening this reaction. So that kind of reaction is called as a photochemical reactions. Okay. So these photochemicals reactions are used for in many purpose. And you can see next one 22 bits. The which of the following molecules do not have the IR active vibrations. So here is having the hydrogen is the right answer for IR is not having for the hydrogen. Okay. Next one you can see here 23 the pollution responsible for Bhopal disaster in 1984 because of methyl isocyanate. Okay. And next one, see which of the commercial product comes from the cellulose. Cellulose commercial product is rayon. And 25th bit, free radical polymerization involves in addition polymerization is the right answer. So here the Lucas test is used for determination of types of test, amines, phenol, acids and alcohol. So Lucas test is used for the confirmation of alcohol test. Okay. Next one you can see here 27th, which of the following organic acid was produced by fermentation? So mostly the fermentation, the lactic acid is producing. Here is given the 4 option. So right answer is lactic acid. 28th bit here, polymers can be classified on the basis of all the above: origins, structure, mechanism and synthesis. So this bit is very important. 29th is the which fiber is used as a artificial wool. So here acyclic, rayon, nylon, cotton. So acyclic is the which of the fiber for the artificial wool. So artificial wool is the acyclic. Next one you can see the 30 bit. The electric switches are made up of dash. So here is given 4 options: nylon, bakelite, polythene and melamine. So here is the electric switches are the like very stuff. Once you will bend it will be break. So these are prepared from the bakelite. So the right answer is the C is the right answer. Next, coming to the an example of natural biopolymers is, so you can given here the few options: nylon, rubber, Teflon and DNA. So here is given the 4 option. So which one is the right answer you can find out. So the right answer is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. So given out of these 3 are the artificial biopolymers, but DNA is the only the polymers of the biopolymers. Next one you can say how many resonance structures can be written for the phenol. So how many resonance structures you can write the phenol? Like phenol, benzene and OH group, hydroxy groups is there. You can see that here and you can find out there is a 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here is given how many resonance structures can be written for the phenol. That question is itself we can find out. Phenol you can write it 3 resonance structures. Okay, the benzene and OH hydroxy group is present. So that phenol structure you can write here 3 resonance structures. Okay, so I will stop here up to here. The next class we will discuss about very clearly the few important bits about NEET and MSET of both states, like engineering and agriculture and pharmacy entrance exams. But both states, what are the important bits, we will go into details about the next class. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment in my YouTube channel. And thank you very much for your kind attention. The next video class we will discuss about the very important topics in 2025. What are the NEET's previous bits and its solution we will discuss in next YouTube channel. And especially in the NEET chemistry, you can see that nowadays are some very few important concentration is needs to for getting the medical seat. So NEET syllabus are basically chemistry. It is very vast area, like number of topics in intermediate first year and second year. These are you can see day to day you will be recall it. And another one thing is especially in NEET chemistry syllabus, the organic, physical chemistry, inorganic, organic, inorganic, physical chemistry and like basics chemistry, like these are the very important. So these type of discussion we will discuss in next YouTube channel. Especially in organic chemistry, what are the neighborhood reactions? So neighborhood reactions are very important. So those neighborhood reactions we will discuss in next class also. And the next class, what are the main both states important medical colleges and what are the patterns, and we will discuss very briefly. And next one is, if you like this video, please like, share, comment my YouTube channel. And thank you very much for making a great patience to attention to listen this my YouTube channel. So please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and we will see upon number of related chemistry bits and chemistry related entrance exams we will discuss, and topics wise like physical chemistry, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. Especially you can see the first year in, especially in the intermediate first year, are very important bits. Bye, see you, thank you. and these intermediate first year 12 topics and